What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a 7-minute haircut tutorial, so stay tuned. Since he didn't want anything taken off the top, we're going to just start off with our gold FX and create our first guideline in the back taper. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Having the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. In order to remove this line, you got to soften it up with the one guard midway and all the way closed. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now that the guideline's soft enough, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done erasing our third guideline, we're going to move on to our two guard all the way open and connect the bottom side of the fade to the top half of the fade. Using this same guard, we're going to soften it up and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. To help you fade into waves, going with the grain is a very important technique. Now that the back taper is nice and blended, we're going to move on to the ear line. I always like starting from the bottom and then working my way to the top. Using our gold FX, we're going to go ahead and make a rainbow shape as our first guideline. Now that we're done butting them out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and continue with that same rainbow shape. Using the lever halfway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. Using our one guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our third guideline. Before we use our 1.5 guard, we're going to go ahead and debulk with our 2 guard all the way open and then our 3 guard all the way open. Now that the line is soft enough, we're going to go ahead and move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Using our Babyless Gold FX, we're going to make him as crispy as possible. Always comb the hair down because when you're cutting waves, the hairs like to hide. So when you comb the hair, it shows the true length and shows the hairs that need to be cut. Moving on to the C-cup area, I usually like to start from the bottom, but this time I started from the top. Now we're going to be doing some detail work with our half guard, our 1 guard, and our 2 guard. There were still a few hairs on the hairline that I didn't like, so I went back and lined it up. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. We're going to be moving on to our Turkish razor. Also, we're going to be using our Derby Premium blades with our Elegant Shave Gel.